The US may be trying to prevent an oil shock. Reports say the United States has asked Israel to halt strikes on Iran's energy infrastructure. And the reason could be simple. Energy infrastructure is directly tied to global oil supply. If Iranian oil facilities were heavily damaged, it could remove a significant amount of oil from global markets. And when supply drops suddenly, oil prices can spike fast. That doesn't just affect energy traders. Higher oil prices can push up inflation, increase transportation costs, and create volatility across global markets. That's why governments sometimes try to contain escalation around energy assets. Because when energy supply is threatened, the impact spreads far beyond the battlefield. It reaches oil markets, inflation expectations, and the global economy. Because in geopolitics, protecting energy supply can be just as important as winning the conflict. Wisdom leads, action follows.